Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you how to create conditional column in Power Query. No coding is required to create a conditional column. I'll show you two examples in which second one is a cracking one. One we have to create status column based on this column and second one is a department based on this column. Here we have 4 teams. We have to replace this marketing with sales in conditional column. Let me show you how. Convert your data to table form by pressing Ctrl+D. Now go to data menu and open Power Query. Here go to add column and click on conditional column. Here we have to give the column name. First we will give the status column. And the condition is if sales is greater than 500, we want output as high. And next clause is if sales is greater than or equal to 300, we want output as medium. Else we want output as low. Now the status column got created and we have to create one more conditional column. Now the column name is department. Now the condition here is if team name is equal to marketing, we want output as sales. Else we want team column only. Now the department column also got created. Now to send back this data to Excel, go to Home tab and click on Close and Load. This is how we can create conditional column in Power Query. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.